They're sending messages, not good. And that's a dead spiritual. I guess a dead spiritual living. Time you saw it moved. No indifference. Spiritual close. Stop. It's going again. Stop it to leave right there. And stop. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Thank you. Stopped here and paused. And then went. Camera shy, spiritual situations. Fall into it. So now we look here. Body rest. It's their spiritual living. The Father said also, before I was born, I passed this test. Satan rebuked at all times, witchcraft, all that stuff rebuked at all times. There's a close in situations of divine speaking inside. The Trinity effect, and there's no indifference. I am part of these patterns. The why. Door closed, engine start, perfect timing, we've all heard. There's no indifference, clues of crows and birds. Let that stop, Lord. You continue to move. Divine situations within me, fitting into it. Wow. You're right there. 5, 4, 3, 2. Goodbye. God bless the dead spiritual living. It's the Creator speaking within me for all of you. It's not a game. There's no ropes, there's no strings. Spiritual situations will be clearly seen. God bless the dead spiritual living. That's including EP3. Or the trash man. So we have the cross and the leaf. Reminder, Yahweh, Yahweh, Yeshua, Creator, Alpha, Omega, sitting clear, signs. It says, I thought you knew it. Today's a beautiful day, Lord speaks. Lord speaks. Please wait for it with patience. Here, there, and everywhere. But stopped, continue moving. Slow and different spiritual elements of the Creator. Send clues around here. The divine. Level whisper. Free sprinkle a little dirt. Also in patterns of situations. The smallest things that move. The Creator in the past. Yes, I said this close. That's the dead spiritual living. Got too many people trying to figure me out here in the streets. And I see him now too. One here is one other citizens, Hey there, paying attention to that. Please put this on top of the leaf. God bless the dead spiritual living. Put it in a couple pieces. Put in a lot of pieces. Ripping this up. Trying my best not to have this camera turned off.